Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert file formats on iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you want to change the format of a file, then go to Safari or other browser and search for Cloud Convert. This is the name of the website. And then here you can choose the format which you are converting from here, and here the you are converting to. So I'm gonna convert an audio file from format M4A to MP3. Then select file. You can select from photo library or take photo or video if it's a photo or video format, but I'm gonna choose from files and I'm gonna choose this file, then open. You can see it's at M4A format and I'm gonna convert to MP3. Then I click on convert and you can see it's here. I can click on download, and now it's in downloads, and I can also find it in files. So when I go to downloads, it should be somewhere here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.